Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you how you can leverage your signature to create your own personal brand. Yes, we always send emails daily. We send around 15 to 20 emails at least if you are an entrepreneur or someone who is using digital word in digital tools or into a business or job. Or so today we are going to create a beautiful signature which tells about you, which tells about your personality very strongly, and people will remember you. Yes, the goal of personal branding is always that people should remember you. So here it is, this tool name is webapp.wisestamp.com, and on this wisestamp.com what you will get is there is a preview of the signature you are going to create from this form. So let's start. Here in the name field I am going to type my name. See, whatever change I am doing on the left hand, it is just being previewed there. So here at in title, whatever you can write like digital marketer, founder, whatever you want to be known for. If you are a coach, digital marketing coach, you can write digital marketing coach. If you are a doctor, you can write that. If you don't want anything, then you can also do that thing. Like I'm just writing founder here, and here we have option to put company name. So I am writing my company name here, IT solution and services. While you are writing anything, make sure the case is accurate. Again, now we have to put our phone, mobile, whatever you want. Phone means the landline number, and mobile means the mobile one. So whenever you are writing your number, just try to add country code before the number. So I'm just not writing my right number. So whatever number you have, you can do that. And here you can see it is being created very beautifully for us. Again, here in I am not writing my complete address, I am just writing. So now if you want more field, then you can write your own field here, whatever you want. We are not going for that right now. Here you can upload any logo. So let's take a local file. Let me search any photo of mine. I will add that photo here. So it is going to give you a beautiful signature, and everyone would love it when you will send a mail to them, and they are going to ask you like how you did created this thing. There are so many pictures I have. Let me find the right one. Okay, let's go with this logo. I'm just taking another logo, this one, and this is done. And you can see it is coming here, came here now, or now this is my signature. And now what I can do is, if I want to animate it, I can animate it too as well, like this, and you can add more pictures, and you can give transition as well. uh, the transition will need, if you want that, then you will need two photos. So right now we have only one, so let's go with this one. But this is a profit feature, so we are just not doing that. Now your signature is ready, and you can see it is looking very beautiful. And again, if you want to add some social media icons, then just go and write here. And for Instagram, write your complete URL. You can get it from your Instagram profile. So right now we are going for only two. You can add many more. And this is done. Here is a template is you basically in free version only you get only one template. So if you use the pro version of this particular app, then you will get lots of pro template as well. Like here, here is a design. In design you can change color, size, image link, anything. So again, these are the pro feature. Here the only free feature is you can customize the font size, spacing, and theme color. Here if I go for the orange one, you can say little difference, but right now it is not showing any color difference, not so much color difference. So let's go with this one. And here are some apps. If you want to add codes, you can do that. It will look like that. This, if you are a green footer, please consider your environment and all. You must have seen this kind of codes in the signature. So next thing is styled signature. अगर आपको if you want that, then style signature, you can do that thing. You can write your name here and it will look like this, Manoj Joshi, instead of name on out. So if you want that, you can add it also. If you don't want, then just leave it. So whatever it option is here, it is not compulsory to use each and every option. Like I'm not liking it, so I'm not going to use it. But yes, I like this one green footer here, so I can use this and I'm just adding it. So okay, if everything is fine and you are done, then just click on I'm done and write your email ID here. And you need to create your account if you are not signed up right now. So I'm signing up with my Google account. So let's go with this ID and allow. Now I need to create a password, I guess. Yeah, done. Okay, so it is done. I am continuing with the free version and the Gmail. Continue, and it will automatically add this particular signature to my Gmail account. So right now I am not going to add this because I have my own signature there. So you can do that thing. If you just go and refresh your Gmail, your Gmail signature is ready. I guess it has added. So let's check gmail.com. So let's open Compose, and you can see the signature is here for you. And there they have this particular line. If you want, whenever you are sending, you can remove this line and you can send it. So if you don't want to give them credit, if you want to give them credit, you can keep it uh, there. And you can see everything is perfect and fine. Let's send a message to myself. I'm just sending it to myself to see how it look to the uh, person who will receive. See, this is it. So this is how you can create beautiful signature. If you don't have any beautiful signature yet, just go to this particular website and create a beautiful signature for yourself. So thank you so much guys, this is it for this video. See you in next video.